As a makeup artist and as a beauty creator, I have learned something. Makeup is not just about looking pretty, it's also about tools. It's how you create hearts, it's how you create confidence and improve your craft. So many beginners want results without investing. Flawless concealer without the right product. Bold, high look without the proper eyeshadow. And then they get discouraged and think that they are not talented, which is very wrong. You are talented. In my last video, I'm not sure if you guys watched it, I made a video concerning how I was able to save my income, the money I had been getting for my makeup from the beginning of this year. I started investing about 10% for restocking any urgent products and 65% for future investment, meaning that the 65% that I am saving is to actually buy something more big. That was how I was able to achieve my ring light. I used the remaining amount of money to buy some new makeup products. I went to get some new makeup products yesterday and I am super happy to show you some of the products that I got. The first thing I got is this. I've always wanted to get something like this because I've been seeing different videos of how people purchase this thing and use it to craft their client eyebrows, and I fell in love with it. This, I'm sure and certain, is better than my current eyeshadow. I never sometimes like the work or the output of my current eyeshadow, so it's more like I am revealing this to you. Woo, okay, I thought, oh my god, see guys, see, oh my god, I feel so glad that I got something I've always wanted to get. I got it for about the price of 10,500 naira. So next I got these AHD eyelashes rather, and I got it for the price of I think 4,000 naira. Next I went ahead to get this Fix Beauty. I've always wanted to get like something else aside this. I wanted to get this yesterday, but yeah, alongside with something else, which was the Fix It or the Seal It face spray, but I think the price was around 11,000 something, so I could not get it because I didn't have enough money to get that. But hopefully, by the grace of God, I'll be able to get it soon. This is very nice, and I really do like it. So the next thing I got was these wipes. I got it for the price of I think 1.5. Let me confirm that. Facial wipes. This is because hygiene matters. You need to wipe your client face first before you start going in. Some other people put out face prepping. The only face prepping I do currently now is clean the face with wipes, applying moisturizer and a primer. Next I got the Havoc concealer, the light shade, because I still have a particular concealer which is the My Skin Nuban concealer. Yes, the Nuban concealer. I love it so much that I got it. So this is the Havoc concealer. And the shade 05. I got it because it's light. I went for this, a pack of Blade. I think I got it for 800 rather. Then I got this classic lip gloss because it's as thick. No, maybe not as thick as Absolute. Maybe not as thick as Absolute, but it is thick to an extent that you feel what I'm trying to say. So yeah, it's actually what I'm wearing right now. And sometimes some clients don't like it when you make use of Absolute for them. That is basically all on the things I purchased yesterday. I am proud of myself. Like, I just cannot believe I genuinely saved up to this money. So this is why my approach to makeup focus on growth. Each upgrade I make is not about trend. It's about becoming better than I was yesterday. So when I show up for you, I am not just guessing. I am improving. 24,500 naira might just look like something small for other people, but to me it's commitment, it's responsibility, it's choosing myself and my journey. And honestly, I am proud of myself for this journey. I am proud for embarking on this journey. I am proud for what I'm believing and hoping for. I am just super proud. So if you really want to elevate more of yourself in the beauty aspect, like doing basic simple makeup, then you are on the right channel. Stay with me and let us grow together. See you in my next video. Bye.